Hello class 8th student, it's a part 2 types of combustion. Based on the rate or the speed at which substance catch fire, means at which speed, at which rate the substance catch the fire. Combustion is divided into 3 different types. What are they? Rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion and the explosion. Let's read them one by one. First is of rapid combustion. The combustion in which a substance burns very fast. Substance burn very fast with external heat provided to produce large amount of heat and flame is known as a rapid combustion. Means the main point which you have to notice that with the external heat provided, means the substance burn very fast with a external heat provided to produce large amount of heat and flame is known as rapid combustion. All substance that undergo this rapid combustion, they have the very low ignition temperature. What is ignition temperature? I have told you in the previous video. The temperature at which any substance start burning. So these all substance which come in the rapid combustion having the very low ignition temperature. So they could catches fire soon and burns rapidly. So example of this rapid combustions, the material which showing the rapid combustion, that is the natural gas, LPG, petrol. As you see the petrol and LPG at your home also, so easily they catches the fire. The second type of combustion is spontaneous combustion. As you know, the meaning of spontaneous means anytime. It is not defined that at which particular time. Okay. Suddenly. Okay, suddenly. So spontaneous combustion, the combustion in which a substance burn quickly, means also the substance burn quickly but without any external heat. Okay, without any external heat to produce large amount of heat and flame, that are known the spontaneous combustion. The all substance that showing this spontaneous combustion also having the very low ignition point. Very low ignition point. The substance are like the phosphorus, coal dust in mine, and the sodium, potassium. Means if you keep these substances open in the air, then they catches fire suddenly without any external heat provided to them. Clear? Means sudden fire there. Okay. Sudden burning of the substance known as the spontaneous combustion. The third one is that the explosion. So the combustion which produce large amount of heat, sound and gases. Means we know this thing, when we burn anything it provides us heat and light, but with the heat it provides sound and gas also. Such type of combustion is known as explosion. Which gives this explosion? Bombs and crackers which you play at the Diwali festival. So this type of combustion is known as explosion, which produce sound also, sound and gases also, including the heat. Okay class, so these are your 3 types of combustion: rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion and the explosion. Let's continue in the next video.